recently we had a division of our state into Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And our state, Andhra Pradesh, has a capital, Hyderabad. Now what happened is, the new Telangana state has got a capital, Hyderabad. So what the Hyderabad has, it's a cosmopolitan, it's a good developed city, have all industries, have all ITs, and a damn good city and a capital which the state wants. But what happened to our AP? Does it have a capital? No. But it raised a discussion that where should our capital should be? Which city, which place? That's because a lot of emotions is under going under the state. That is that one part of the state wants the capital should be, another corner of the state wants the capital should be there. So there are some cities which the government has named for the capital. That is Visakhapatnam, some say Kurnool, some say it's to be between Guntur and Vijayawada. So my opinion is that the capital should be between Vijayawada and Guntur. But in my opinion, I would like to have a capital should be in Vijayawada and Guntur. That's because if I come to some of the negative points of Visakhapatnam has been laterally developed. It's not circular. And another region is it has sea on another side. It has a hills of Asian Ghats and biodiversity of Rambalkonda over there. So if you want to develop a city, it should be circular. How can you develop a city with all these kind of negative impacts in the development of city? We also say that IT companies they are backed by IT companies. The plan to keep some IT companies in Visakhapatnam and they will be development further. We can't be Visakhapatnam.
I see with Jagannath. I just said that how could we develop Visakhapatnam? But to me, what I want to say is that Visakhapatnam has already been developed. But we take the case of Vijayawada, it is under development stage. Although it has a large area, but it is mostly covered by farmers. It is under the not under the government's will, but it is under of farmers. If you take the farmers' land for the development's sake, and what is the case of food population?
But here the case was that we have to make more area for developing other industries and other areas. Even the both Vizag and Vijayawada has IT companies existing systems, but there is some need to develop there should be some area in order to develop other industries. Even at Vizag there is a water facility in order to cultivate the agriculture. Whereas Vijayawada has two rivers, Krishna and where the water facility is very huge. And at present we have
coming to his one, I agree with him. But listen guys, the capital is between Guntur and Vijayawada. It's not Vijayawada. But you said only IT companies are in Visakhapatnam. But even Vijayawada, it's industrially fast developed. Even you consider Autonagar of Vijayawada is far better than our Vizag. So that's not the matter. Even Visakhapatnam has a lot of private lands. If you want to develop a capital, even it's lateral, if you want to develop it circularly, it's difficult. You have sea and you have mountains. No mountains. Okay. If you want to develop a capital laterally, so where can you get all the money to buy all those private lands? It's too costly. But in Vijayawada and Guntur, there are government lands and farmland. Okay, farmland is living for farming. But there are lands to develop the new capital, and it's a free city. Means Visakhapatnam is already developed. But if you want to develop a new smart capital, you can, from the basics and from the roots, you can come with a new innovative ideas and bring a clean and good capital.
Thinking about the circumference of the city or something, it's not a very big deal. So Hyderabad is the capital after the division from the Tamil Nadu. Who thought that the hilly areas, Banjara Hills and everything around the surroundings which are there around the Banjara Hills, they are the costliest areas in the Hyderabad present now. Thinking about the Eastern Ghats is a negative impact to the capital of the city is not a very big deal.
According to you, just you want to say that you want to build attached
Can,
beyond Simhachalam Hills and all.
Yes, we can.
So you want to destroy entire
Only the Simhachalam Hills are good. Surrounding to Arila, many hills are there. We can use that. If you go to the Doctor's Colony in Setamdara, it's extending and extending. The apartments are the apartments we are using unnecessary lands for apartments. There on the Doctor's Colony in Setamdara, we can build the apartments. Those hilly areas can be covered. We are unnecessarily wasting the useful lands where we are seeing that in the Vijayawada we are using the farmlands for all those things. We can use the for apartments also now. And we can, Visakhapatnam is already
Development means not means that building our apartments or interstates are increasing the education systems. With all of the development of the present situation of the people, it's not the barren lands from the people and build apartments, and we cannot because the farmlands are generally used for cultivation. At present, the amount of farmlands and lands have been decreasing due to building of apartments. If you use the same farmlands or the barren lands for the building apartments, there will be no cause of food, and we have to pay a lot in future.
And another point added to it.
But consider Vijayawada itself as the capital, but you have to concentrate on the Vijayawada itself to develop. If you
Yeah, we can make it small section because Visakhapatnam is a head of naval command. There is a drill, and we can make sure that Vijayawada and Guntur may be have better security. Whatever we
present is Sivaram Committee, what is the plan that Vijayawada should be the primary capital of Andhra Pradesh. They are going to declare August 27. It will be only temporary capital. Then there will be a chance of Visakhapatnam coming to the road from the next year to the permanent job. Thank you.
Visakhapatnam will become the capital. This is a big for Allah.
Okay.